welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. And today I'm cooking with the Ooni Koda 16. I'm going to be making a chorizo pizza, one of my favorite, so let's do it. Here it is, ready for the cook. Just checking the stone temperature. Yeah, that's just right. It's about 430 in the middle of the area where I want to cook. And I'm leaving it on full, as I always do. So full flame, I mean. I'm wondering what that means. Okay, this pizza's ready to go in. Let's do it. My doggy's barking. Let's see if this is done. Done. I've learnt a lot over the last few months using the Ooni Koda 16. I'm also going to be doing a review between the Ooni Koda and the Ooni 12, a new and updated review, which I'll be doing soon, because I feel that I've changed in what I think about the two ovens since I bought the Ooni Koda 16. I've been cooking a lot bigger pizza since even just like 6 months ago. I've been cooking a lot bigger ones than I ever did in the Ooni Pro. And so I think it's time that I have a favourite now between the Ooni Koda 16 and the Ooni Koda 12. And I didn't have one before, so I'm going to do that video and then I'm going to explain why. I cooked with a hole in my pizza. Oh my gosh. I had another hole in my pizza. Wow. It's very thin there. Crust cook is very nice. Boom. I hope to be making a Ooni Fire video because I've just bought it off Ooni and I think off the Ooni site, and it said up to 7 days delivery. So I'm hoping that comes this week because I can't wait to do a first cook video in the Ooni Fire. There is a reason why it's taken me so long to buy the Ooni Fire. I will explain that when I get it. Can't beat chorizo. So lovely. Okay, so this is delicious. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.